Welcome to Muddy Face Giants Adventure Riley. And thank you so much to every single one of you for choosing us. My name is Emily, and let's have a blast.
How's it? I'm here at the Clare. I'm from Joburg, East Rand, from Springs.
And Ari de Klerk from Springs, Joburg. Muddy Face, he pulled it out.
Yeah, we noticed the advert, the website, and just enrolled, and here we are, trying to make the best of it and enjoy the adventure now.
As you can see, we're adventure riders. So Muddy Face seems like a lot more off-road enduro, so we're going to give it a bash. We're going to travel the heavy bike today and see what the water buffaloes do out there.
This is the best stop ever. In 3 years, ever. You get here, it's homey, it's smiles, it's music playing, and watermelon. It's awesome.